Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Zora update for you guys. Zora right now sitting just under 4 cents. So under 177 million in market cap, under 25 million 24-hour trade volume. Volume is kind of creeping up a bit. Market cap kind of creeping up a bit. So Zora right now, it looks like, I really think this is where the bottom is in. And then we may start an uptrend for Zora here. I think so. Don't quote me on it. Do not quote me on it. Crypto is very unpredictable, guys. It really is, right? But I think we may have formed the bottom, man. We've been like in this range for like a week, man. Let me take a look at X. Let's see some TA on X, man. To be honest. Let's take a look, man. Let's take a look at the top X posts. Let's take a look at the top X posts. Let's see, man. Okay, 20 hours ago, Quantum Ascend. Whoa, what the heck? Oh my gosh. Quantum Ascend. Taking a look at the Zora chart. So as you guys can see, I'm just reading everything here. So he has a video. Go check out his actual X account, man. 10 years plus in crypto, millions traded, right? I followed him. I have followed him before when I saw like some of his tweets with some of the TA he's done. He's an Elliott wave trader. If you guys don't know what Elliott waves are, that's another type of chart patterns, right? And he has made a video here on X about Zora. And as you can see from this is a 5-wave move for the first wave we had in July. And now we're setting up for another 5-wave move, which puts us at potentially 35 cents to 65 cents for Zora, right? And that is very possible. That is extremely possible, right? Remember, my targets are $1 to $5, right? For Zora. So 65 cent target from here. Imagine what happens to the ecosystem, that 50K, 100,000 Zora you have. If you have 100,000 Zora right now, that's going to be $65,000, right? At 65 cents per Zora, right? That is extremely bullish. Now, I'm not going to pull up his video. Go check out his X, guys. He is very on point with his TA. He's done very good TA all around. And yeah, not much more X posts on Zora here. But let's take a look at from Baseland. Builders and creators on base. Every post on Zora is a tradable coin. Own your content. Earn 1% on every trade paid in Zora, and let your community comes back to you directly, right? No algorithms, gatekeeping, no middleman taking cuts, just on-chain culture, real ownership, and direct rewards. Let's build a future together, right? And that is exactly what I think. You know, that is exactly my thesis on Zora. Even though the rest of the market disagrees with it, that is my direct opinion on Zora and its success, right? It's no middlemen, no algorithms, right? Remember, a lot of people always complain about the YouTube algorithm, the X algorithm. It's not putting my content out there, right? No middleman taking cuts. People get super chatted on YouTube. You know, you get $5 to $10 to $20, $50 super chat on YouTube, and YouTube takes like 30% of the super chat, right? That's why I see creators say, hey, donate to me directly on PayPal or Venmo or Cash App, because YouTube takes 30%, right? So just like what Baseland has stated here is exactly why I'm bullish on Zora and its ecosystem. And again, Zora looks like it may have bottomed out. This TA really reinforces my thesis, making me want to FOMO some more Zora here. I might just want to FOMO some more Zora here, guys. The target to 65 cents from here. I might just want to FOMO some more Zora, man. 65 cent target, man. That is insane, bruh. And I'm telling you, like I said, Elliott waves, TA points to it. You know, my thesis points to it. You know, this is consensus here, right? Obviously, that is a lot more conservative than what my targets are, but 65 cent target from here, you know, going into the Q1, Q2 of the year is great. because again, I don't think Zora stops. I think it keeps growing because it's going to onboard more users. It's going to build in more millions of users, more retail investors, more creators, and it keeps growing, right? So obviously the next stop, it might do like the 5-wave move, come back down, correct again, do another 5-wave move to $1, $2, right? So this is great, man. I'm happy I saw this today. So if it's not just me saying it, it's the TA that also says it, right? So as always, guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate all the support. You guys are the best. Like, comment, subscribe, share the videos. It really helps out. None of this is financial advice, and I'll catch you in the next one.